In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize app.close.com. Whether you're new to Close or looking to integrate it more seamlessly with Calendly, I'll guide you through the entire process one step at a time, ensuring that by the end of our session, you're all set up and ready to enhance your productiveness. First, you'll want to open a browser and head over to the Close CRM website. This can be done simply by typing in the URL or using a bookmark shortcut if you frequently visit the page. Once you're on the Close homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the Integrations tab and click on it. Integrations are a key feature of Close, allowing you to connect with various tools and expand your CRM's functionality. After accessing the Integrations section, scroll through the list until you find Calendly. Click on Calendly to proceed. This integration will help streamline your scheduling process, making it much easier to manage appointments and meetings directly through your CRM. Once you're within the Calendly integration page, the next step is to click on Connect Your Calendly account. You'll typically find this option indicated with a clear call to action button. Now, you'll need to follow the prompts to connect your Calendly account with Close. This will likely involve logging into your Calendly account and granting the necessary permissions to Close. After you've successfully connected the two accounts, navigate to the Settings area of Close, specifically under Accounts and Apps, where you'll find Connected Accounts. Within this section, look for Calendly and click on Connect with Calendly. This will ensure that the integration is active and ready to use within your Close environment. Following that, click on Your URL within the Connected Accounts section. Here, you'll be presented with your unique URL that identifies your account integration, a crucial step for personalizing how your appointments are handled within Close. Next, navigate over to the Contacts section within Close. This is where you can manage all your CRM contacts and their details. Once in your contact list, select the contact you wish to communicate with. You'll notice an option labeled Mail. Clicking on this will open up an email interface within Close, allowing you to send messages directly to the contact you selected. Finally, paste the copied URL from earlier into the email, thereby including a link that they can use to book appointments directly with you through Calendly. This integration ensures that all your meetings are synced and logged within Close, providing a comprehensive view of your client interactions. And there you have it. A complete walkthrough on connecting Close CRM with Calendly, enhancing your ability to keep productive and organized. With these steps, scheduling and managing your contacts